All right, Rinconians, ready to move in. Doesn't it look like we're ready to move in? Not really, right? But we are. I'm not lying. Let me just show you. Anyway, we're getting our suite together here, if we will. It's sweet. A sweet, sweet, sweet. So we've got our ceiling painted, walls and trim primed and prepped. I've had some issues with my sprayer. I think that motor's gone. Just one of those things, you know, challenges. So I'm gonna rent a sprayer tomorrow so I can get the trim painted. Get this closet we're gonna spray out. We'll just do this all one color, semi-gloss. We'll do the trim sprayed. I'll brush and roll the paneling here. And then the bathroom, we've got our hardy backer for the tile. We got things masked off. The ceiling's done, but we'll spray this trim, spray this frame, and then we'll brush and roll the walls. Another thing we did here, the pipes used to come up through here in that vanity, and I moved them there to the center of that vanity. Another thing I did here is I changed this door. This door was 6-panel wood. No, yeah, 6-panel wood, Christian door, if you will. So I took the door that was here, used to be a door that went into this living room, whatever it was. And that's this door here. And I'm prepping it up. Anyway, took out the old. This will be the full height as these doors are. Whereas that other one was shorter and didn't match. So that door will match the 6-panel prairie style door there. And yeah, so I'll be happy with that. Coming down to the wire here, we're trying to get into our space. Trying to get this vanity in. I've got all kinds of modifications I did to it. Mostly because it just needs to be over more. I moved these pipes and turns out we needed it this way anyway because the toilet sticks out so far. Anyway, I think we'll get that to work. I'm gonna put a little drop down access to this. I had to add 6 inches, so I decided to put a little shelf in there. So that's coming along. What I wanted to show you though is this sprayer. So here's the sprayer I've had probably about 7 years. It's been pretty reliable, good Graco product. So then I was looking for a used one on Facebook Marketplace, so I got this one. Of course it didn't work. I paid like $220 for it. Determined it was the pump, so I started shopping for packings to rebuild the pump. But what's interesting is on Amazon you can get aftermarket pumps for like as low as 50 bucks. A packing kit is going to cost you 110. So I paid a little more for this pump here. That's this part right here. I paid, I think I paid 80 bucks. So I just put it on. I've just set it up for priming. This is oil-based paint. And I've just primed up this door. I've put it, I don't know if you can tell or not, but this door, it's a beat up old door. I think I was talking about it before, but we've kind of worked it over. I just sprayed some oil primer on there. I'm hoping to seal everything in and probably just sand out one more time and get the the primer on, or the paint, the finished paint, because that's the front door to our new house, to this outdoor world of goings on and dirt and stuff. So I got to get that on. We're trying to move in here next week. Something else I've done, I finished this closet. I think that's the only finished space in the new, or in the old part I should say. So I got the double doors in. And I pushed on this just so that I could get this water heater in here. This was here in this house. Actually, it was right about there, if you recall. So I just reused it. So I got it all plumbed in. I'm having a little bit of an issue on the trying to get this to here. But I did get the water lines hooked up and it's full, and I've got it wired. You see, you got it wired and the disconnect is here. And everything's hot, meaning hot powered, but no hot water. So I'm not sure about that. I'm going to dig into that. So I kind of got my priorities. I'm hoping that's just a minor little thing. Maybe I need a new thermostat or heating element. We'll see. But I know I got to get this door finished. I've got to get that vanity in because I got all that plumbing to do. Those are my big items for the move. You got to have the bathroom together. Vanity in, countertop, sink, baseboard, and then some painting. So let's see how it goes. It's Friday afternoon, and we're gonna start moving stuff Monday, I think. But we get all week, so I know it'll work out. All right, Rinconians, we're ready to move in. Doesn't it look like we're ready to move in? Not really, right? But we are. I'm not lying. Let me just show you. This is our suite. This is our front door. Door turned out pretty nice. I'm happy with that. Takes us into our suite. We crammed ourselves in here. And we got the bathroom together, sort of. Still got to put the doors on. And a little bit of caulking to be done on that vanity. I'm going to move this, center this light here on the sink. That's my job for today, because we're going to put a towel rack here and here. So we figured mirror light, just an efficiency thing. And of course we got our everything here in the closet together. I don't know if I showed you that, but you know, with the paper up, it's all clean. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna put the smoke detector up, so we got all those things, all the safety stuff ready. And yeah, I think Friday night will be our first night. So not tonight, but tomorrow night we'll sleep and be out of our other place. And yeah, just dealing with that. We still got our trailer, which will be our kitchen and our office for my wife. But yeah, we'll be all set in here. So we've been in this room here for about a week. It'll be, yeah, a week today was our first night in, so we're all set up. And it's actually quite comfortable. Getting ready to second coat that vanity, kind of the last detail. Anyway, of course, when you live in a space, you want all your conveniences, and one of those is our washer dryer. So I just picked this up, got it on Marketplace, got a good deal on it, but I want to get it into this space. So I'm just kind of quickly trying to finish it out. I want to finish, meaning I'll get it drywalled, painted, put the door on, trim it out inside anyway, and then we can just be done with it. You install it, and probably the only reason we'll have to pull it out is to do the whatever floor we do here. I'll put a piece of plywood there in the meantime. So kind of doing things like that, and other things is trying to get like switches in place. It doesn't hurt to kind of just throw that up. I know this isn't efficient in the sense of just getting all your drywall done, but kind of just putting priority on things to make our life easier while we're in here. The other space is this here. Remember the front door? We moved into this entryway. What's kind of been a place for our kitchen, sort of our fridge. It's kind of a space that you can close the door and keep the construction out, if you will. Anyway, so I've been trying to get this finished out too. I put that drywall on over that framing, and the idea is, again, to get the switches together so the light works, so it makes it easier running in the fridge. And I guess the only thing here that I'm going to need to do, and I'm going to wait on it still, is that, see where we got holes here, the closet door needs to be cut out. But we'll wait till we get all our drywall done on the other side before I get into that. So if I can just get this together, I'll prime it up, maybe even trim that door, and it'll sort of seem finished in here. The only challenge I'm finding is this casing. You know, it's kind of a wide colonial, simple colonial, 3 1/4. I can't find it. At least I couldn't find it in Home Depot. So I need casing for that, and I need casing for the closet there. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, so it's the beginning of the year, January, and we're just going to keep making progress. My goal was to kind of get up and do the roof now that we're in, but it's been, what's the issues? Well, there's always rain in the forecast, so I'm a little intimidated about taking that on, or it's cold outside, and but that is kind of my next priority. If I don't get to the roof, I'm going to just start hanging drywall in the kitchen area, drywall here, you know, and that way, you know, we can just start to kind of get the inside of the house together, which shouldn't be a big deal. All right, I spent a day or two getting this closet together. So I figured I'd show you before I stuck the washer dryer in there. Just a closet, but it's still a lot of work with the drywall and trimming it and all the utilities. Anyway, so we'll have this nice finished area for the laundry. So let me stick it in there, and it looks like it should fit fine. Got the laundry in. Didn't turn out as good as I thought I was gonna, in the sense that I was hoping that that dryer vent was gonna fit better. It would have been better just to have a regular pipe just down at the bottom than that stupid box. It cost me like 40 bucks. Anyway, so we got it working. Been doing laundry just in time, but you know, you can see it just fits. All right, anyway, that's where we're at. I'll get back to you with more stuff as I get it done.